You like fiddling around with your settings until you get it accurate? I did this shot and I think it's mighty fine the way it is. Trying to do some adjustments. This is high noon where EV value, put it on -1.0. Match it to 0.7 on the negative side. When you got the time to sit there and get the shots. Otherwise, just put it on the go and get it going. I wanted to ride a little different path and I took the wrong path this time. So let's get on going to where I need to be at. Cotton candy for sale. So we're heading down, get down to the beach and look out the shore and see what it looks like on a beautiful Sunday. No, it's not a cloud day. It's not Sunday, but a sunny day. So we're gonna check out what it looks like. I'm standing right here and I'm on EV value, -1.0. I need to go look at the camera, but if I move myself or the camera, I may not get the shot. So I'm planting my feet in the ground and I'm gonna see what they want as an EV value. Do my best to come back here at this pose. You don't wanna know. Negative, almost like 1.7, something like that. And the shutter, all the way up to the 6,000s plus, 8,000 to be a fact. Just to get it, -0.7. So you gotta be on manual. I'm not gonna sit here, fiddle, play a guitar, an air guitar. Play that song. Yankee went to town. I'm not going to be doing that all the time with the camera. So I'm going to put this bad boy back on automatic, -0.07. I'm just going to walk on out to the edge of the water and get some shots. I'm just happy I got a camera that I can shoot video, capture the moments, and continue on. I don't want to be worried about every single time I have to set things up just to get the perfect shot on a nice, clear, blue day. White on bottom, clouds over there by the top of the college, and anything above it is all clear blue. To you, it may be gradient color, may show a little depth. I agree. The DJI Osmo Action 4 does a mighty fine job. But I don't see why not. The Action 5 Pro can do the same job as well. Just gonna be those days out there that you want to grab the camera and go, and you grab that wrong one, you gotta get room shots. And then when you grab the right one and you start to think you have the wrong settings, you got the wrong shot. Just make sure you know what you're doing, because I sure hell don't know what I'm doing. I know not to put the sun to the camera, and that's what I'm doing here. I know it's not the right shot to do, but I'm just showing you what the camera can, get out there for you. I'm gonna head on over there one day, Go for a bike ride. The first bunker, the second bunker. Head on back. You think it's worth opening up the camera, putting a cell phone buzzer into the speaker if there's any room so you can feel it? I miss that feature. I'm not going to worry about it. At least I can hear the beeps. The beeps are loud and not covered by heavy membrane of plastic. Let's get on out of here. Go have some fun. Gotta go brush off the sand of my feet. By the time I ride, it'd be off the tires. I don't love bringing a good bike into the sand. I don't want to spend hours cleaning. That's just me. So maybe I'll get my old Huffy back out and get on going. As I pedal along and had a good time and I got things to edit and all, what a wonderful day. Maybe I should have went that distance. Always another time. I'm holding on to the handlebar with the camera. And I like to relax with one hand like so. And you get an idea of what the sky looks like and what it looks like riding, stabilization. I get used to holding the camera in my right hand because the way the button's at, the way they have it pressed for me, for you. Not a left-handed camera, but I can hold it in both hands. I vlog like this, but I like to do it right-handed. Maybe I go back to the left-handed. And the thing is, I got the thumb bolt on the right-hand side of the camera where the screen is at. And it falls into my right-hand index the way I like it. You ever get to Roll & Roaster? Oh man, they make the great hamburgers. They're known for their roast beef and French fries, which they changed and changed again. $5 got you roast beef, French fries, and a small drink. You're not going to come out anywhere near that today. You're going to come out at least a minimum of $15 to $20 for French fries, roast beef, and a drink. I think I started out this morning on one of the piers, and I'm ending up at one of the piers. Well, I had a good day's ride. I'm going to leave my helmet on because I'm not going to be here that long. I had a beautiful day to capture the moment. You see the gulls flying. I don't have to yell. And the last part is on noise reduction with the DJI Mic 2. I saw on the DJI Mic Mini that you can get a cradle that somebody 3D printed and made their own charging port. Man, I'm interested in that, but I could pick another cradle up, charging cradle for the price they're charging. But I give them all the power. DJI OEM Parts, I believe is the site. Yeah, you're into DJI, you get a mic, you get a camera, you get the handheld stick, off you go, and you'll have a wonderful time with the camera. We all like to talk schmack, but people like to complain. People like to do this and do that. And I hope you'll find the right camera for your needs. If it's GoPro, DJI, or Insta, these two are the most expensive, while GoPro hasn't released anything out, but DJI is the most budget camera with an awesome mic system that works quite well. You cannot just mix and match Insta and the Mic 2 and the Mini. Doesn't work out quite that way. So stick with what you got and what you like, and I'm getting on out of here. Oh, by the way, I'm Fish, and I want to thank you for staying along with me on this wonderful bike adventure 2 by Cannondale. It got me to where I needed to be at on a beautiful day. It's time for me to say I'm Fish. I'm out of here. Thank you for your time.